What drives discovery? What sparks innovation? It all comes down to one thing: curiosity. Here at the Franklin Institute, we're all about celebrating curiosity and the fearless thinkers who use it to change the world through science, creativity, and good old-fashioned hands-on experiments. Who better to inspire us than Benjamin Franklin? Franklin's curiosity inspired him to figure out how things worked. He built things, broke things, asked questions, tried, failed, and tried again. Benjamin Franklin wasn't just a scientist and inventor. He was a lifelong tinkerer who saw every question as a chance to learn and make life better. His famous kite experiment wasn't just about proving lightning was electricity. It was about unlocking nature's secrets to help people live safer, smarter lives. That same drive led him to create practical inventions: bifocal glasses, the lightning rod, the more efficient stove, and so much more. Benjamin Franklin understood that new tools weren't just gadgets. They were gateways to bigger ideas. But the greatest tool of all was knowledge, something he believed should be freely shared. That's why he helped create America's first lending library, making books and ideas accessible to all who wanted to learn, not just the wealthy. That spirit of shared discovery still echoes today in public schools and libraries, across the internet, and here at the Franklin Institute. Benjamin Franklin's legacy isn't just in what he made, it's in how he thought. He showed us what's possible when curiosity and ingenuity are guided by a belief that knowledge should serve humanity. So, as you explore our exhibits, don't be afraid to ask questions. Play with the tools, experiment, make a mess. Imagine something new, because curiosity leads to discovery. And discovery, that's what changes the world. This visionary experience was brought to you by Ed Sattel and the Sattel Family Foundation.